This is a short clip video of the inserting the FFC connectors. FFC is flat flexible connector. They're very small pitched and really easy to get misaligned. So you want to insert them straight. And there's two common types. There's contacts on both sides, here and here. There's also contacts on opposite sides. So knowing your product and which one it takes, most of the imagers will have it, will use the opposite side contacts. You want it in such a way that the contacts always face the bottom of the PC board. So in this case, you flip the tab up. You can use a tool or something easy, and just be gentle with them, because that plastic could, if you really handle it roughly, it will break. So gently push down on the tab, and there's a friction fit, so it should be able to do that, and you're connected. Then notice that now we do it upside down, and we put this side in. Again, contacts facing down. The tab should be up, and in this case the pressure tab is on the back of the connector and it inserts in the front, whereas this one, the tab is in the front. It inserts, comes down and pinches. Again, now that it's in, should be able to pull just ever so slightly, and it's connected. Now you'll put screws in the bottom of this to connect, and then you can push this down gently, because it's just a little oversized, and that's fine, to S curve it. Do not pinch these or fold it in half or pinch that, because over time, if you move it, the contacts will break and then your cable's no good. So an S is okay, but a pinch is not good.